Alright everyone, welcome back. This is a very random video, but one of my subscribers sponsored this video. This is called Hot Sauce Review from Matt. So Matt sent me like 15 bucks, told me to buy these hot sauces and try them out. So that's what I'm doing. Appreciate it, Matt. Got my burritos right here. Eating burritos because I ran out of meat. So I will be trying to film this in a good way. Trying to open this up. I don't know what's in these. I'm guessing they're hot. I don't know how hot. Probably not too bad, but spicy isn't my thing. So I do have the Taco Bell mild sauce in here already, but I'm gonna add some hot sauce on top and let you know what I think. So let's just start out really small because I'm scared. Let's see if I can taste that. I don't know if I can really taste that. Also have some jalapenos in here, this might be throwing off the data. It's like this stuff don't even want to come out though. Oh, okay, that's how you do it. So the simple way is to tap it. So I got a whole bunch right here. It has some heat to it. Can't really taste the flavor yet. I think I got a whole bunch of sour cream all over my face. Let's try this again. So you do a simple tap like this to get the sauce out. Put it at an angle. There we go. All right, let's try this one again. I can't really taste it. I'm gonna go grab a spoon or something. All right, I'm definitely feeling a lot of heat right now. Just gonna put on this knife real quick. I think this is pretty hot. My mouth is on fire right now. So I'm just gonna stick this on my tongue here real quick. Definitely some heat. I still can't taste any flavors, so I don't know if it's just hot sauce, spiciness, or what. I'm gonna go back at it again. I haven't even tried the second one yet. I don't know if I like that. Honestly, there's no really flavor to it. It's just a lot of heat. So I'm gonna move on to the second one. So the first one was the Cholula hot sauce. Second one is Frank's Red Hot Original Cayenne Pepper Sauce. I was gonna just do a quick review, but you're just gonna get the whole video tonight. So sorry if this isn't your thing, if I'm wasting your time. Let me take out that jalapeno real quick, just so I don't skew this. All right, I'm gonna go back into the burrito. If I can't taste it in the burrito, I'll go back onto the knife. This one is also having some trouble getting out. Go back and forth here real quick. All right, so I got some right here. Try that out real quick. Once again, I can't really taste it. So I'm gonna put it on the knife again. It's not even coming out. So I want enough to put it in my mouth, kind of swish it around a little bit, get some flavors flowing. If this is really hot, I'm gonna start screaming, so I apologize. Oh, that is terrible, bro. That is terrible. Oh, I wish you could see my face right now. No. I really should be recording my face right now. I'm not trying that again. That is no. That's a no. That's a no. That is terrible. That is terrible. That's like a buffalo hot sauce. Something, man. That does not taste good. That's just terrible. Very hot. And not good. But Cholula ain't bad. So maybe there's a chance for Cholula in my future sponsorship, you never know. But man, that red hot, no, that was terrible. So anyways, that's gonna wrap up this video. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for the hot sauce, Matt. I appreciate you, loyal supporter and member of this family. Thank you guys for watching. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.